Hey Michelle, we are fixing up a place for you to visit when you come back in a couple years. It's a little fixer-upper, as you can see, but I think you'll like it. Just ignore the hole in the back and the holes in the roof. Right. Well, we are making some progress.
Think you can grab the front two of these and we'll carry them both. No nails in that whiteboard, is there?
I don't see any. That's where the building was. I know Dad would be a little disappointed, but I think he'd be happy at the same time because we're organizing a lot of things and putting them together that he probably didn't know he had. So I think in the end he'd be happy, maybe.